Hi friends, as you can see, this machine we are making now is for 3-to-8 wire mesh welding machine. This one is made for our American customer. It's used the European technology, Italy design for the wear payoff. It can hold 3 tons of wear material. This is the second machine for our American customer. In last year, we sold one line for the welding line and the drawing line, 2 machines. And in this year, they are very satisfied with the machine designing and machine speed, so they buy the second set. The spool for sending line wire can be directly coiling by the drawing machine. After coiling by the drawing machine, you can also putting on the wire straightening machine and putting on the line wire feeding. No need to discharge. Very easy for using. This is the closed type wire straightening rollers. It's Italian design. And after straightening, it will go into the storage device. There is SMC sensor switch on the top of the machine. It is made by Japan, and it will check the wear and sending wear into welding machine. After the second line straightening by the rollers, it will be sending into the welding machine. The welding machine will use the European design. Let's see the air cylinder more clearly. This is the European design power-saving air cylinder. It can save half of the air and gas than the normal type air cylinder. And it designed with the single connection. One air cylinder control one welding electrode that make the machine working more stable. This is a cross wear feeder. It can feed 1 ton of wear material. This is the servo motor for feeding the wear into welding part. For the mesh pulling, we use Panasonic servo motor and the SMC air cylinder for holding the holder. We use the Eagles brand. The gear rack we use is from JNT, made in Taiwan. This is the Precis mesh cutting machine. The cutting area less than 1 mm, and then it will be sending into the wear folding machine. The wear folding machine will automatically hold it and fold down. Then it will allegiance the edge automatic, then sending out automatic.